Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Movers Report for October 10th, 2011. First we're taking a look at NFLX, Netflix. You can see we're gapping up this morning. Last is right around this 130 area. We'll look to take this short off the open, give it about 2 to 3 minutes off the open and see if it makes a new low, closes lower. You can start with a half position, see if you get a bounce with a lower high or holds the high of the day, and then add your second half. See if you can make a new low. First profit target is going to be about $1.30 from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about $2.60 from your entry. You're going to want to watch 128 right here and 126, and then right in this 124.60 area for support. So watch those areas as you're coming back into these lows. I think especially if we get some selling in the market, this could be a really nice short. So try to keep half or a third of it and be more patient to come down into this 127 or 126 area with your trade. Next we have CPX gapping up this morning. Last is right around this 30.50 area. Been as high as 31. We're going to look to short this off the open on a new low. Again, give it about 2 to 3 minutes. You might want to watch 30 as support, see if you can break through 30. First profit target is going to be about 30 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 60 cents. And then just trail a stop on your last half. Could have support here at 28. You know, it's a pretty large gap, so I think there's a lot of money in it. And I would try to be patient with your last half and trail a stop. Maybe if you come down into 28, take another quarter, and then just try to trail a stop in your last piece and see how low it can come into. Possibly 27, 26, or 25 area. So a lot of money. Just try to be patient, especially if we get some selling in the market. This is gapping up on the news from France and Germany, I believe, regarding the debt solution. So I'm going to look for some profit taking and a pullback into these lows here. Now we're looking at GOLD, gold. You can see here gapping up, lasts about 101.85 up into this 102 area right in here. We have some resistance in this area. I'm going to be looking for this on the short side down into possibly 100. This could break out and go up. You might consider taking this on a long. I would stay more on the short side of this, especially if you get a strong day in the market. This could correct down into the support level. So I'm actually going to be looking to take this short, give it about 2 to 3 minutes again off the open, see if you can make a new low, take it short. First profit target is going to be a point from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 2 points from your average entry, and then trail a stop on your last piece. You're also going to have some pretty strong support here right around 99.30. So watch that area for some support, and then into this 99 right there. So watch these two areas for your last piece. Not as much money in this trade, still a good trade to take. Just be quick with your profit targets and stay tight with your last stop, because there's not a lot of room to run after it comes down in here. If it does break through down below these areas, could come down into, you know, possibly this 97.25, 26 area right in there. Now we're looking at STO gapping up to 23.27 currently. We're going to look to take this short off the open, wait for it to close and make a new low. First profit target is going to be about 23 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 46 cents from your entry. Going to watch it come down into this 22.70. You'll probably hit both profit targets before 22.70, and then look to hold your last piece to see if you can break through this area here. Next support is going to be right around this 22.20 area. Could see a little bit at 22.50. So some areas to watch on the short side as you're coming into support. Would prefer this to open here or higher. If we open closer to this 23 area, I would pass on this trade. If it opens below 23, go ahead and walk away and look for something else. I want at least it to open in this 23.20 area or higher to take it short for there to be enough money on the short side. Next we're looking at HCSG gapping down. Last is at 15 right in here. Going to look to take this long off the open. Going to have a little resistance at 15.25 and then 15.50. Still good spots to take profit. Would like this to open at 15 or lower for me to take this long. Look for a new high off the open. You can start with half and add on a pullback. Again, watch these areas for resistance for profit taking, and then see if you can push through this 15.50. If it breaks through 15.50, you could see possibly 16. So try to be patient on that last quarter, especially if we get some buying or we're breaking through resistance levels in the market and have a strong day. This could move up into these areas here. And our last trade is KLAC, gapping down into 40.08 right here. 40 is going to be pretty strong support level, and we have all this consolidation here from Thursday's session, plus the highs on Wednesday. So I'm going to look for a move up and a bounce off of this support level to take it long off of 40. Have multiple reasons here for good support at 40. First profit target is going to be about 40 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be 80 cents. Could see some resistance here in this 40-50 area. If we get through that, next resistance is going to be right around 41, and then up here into this 42. So watch those areas. Would like to see this break through 41 and possibly trail a stop on the last piece, see if it can test the highs in 42. Again, especially if we get a strong day in the market, could be good on the long side. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.